know how to use each of the marketing measurement tools that are available. While there is some overlap, most of these tools focus on a specific area of feedback, so when you've got questions about your marketing performance, it's helpful to know where to go for the answer. Let's start with Google Analytics, which gives you information on how people get to your website and what they do once they're there. Google Search Console, on the other hand, tells you how your site is performing in search engines specifically. With email marketing tools, you'll get information on open rates and click-through rates for any emails that you send, whereas any CRM like Salesforce or Pipedrive will tell you about conversion rates, customer lifetime value, and retention rates. Your analytics in any social media platform will tell you about your followers, your engagement rates, and your click rates, but you can also use their tracking software on your website to see what people will do once they're there. All of these tools can be interconnected in some way, which gives you a bit more insight. Next week, do you have clarity over how people are using your website?